Enter the world of music with a digital keyboard from Yamaha. The Yamaha PSR-EW300 includes a complete range of features you would normally only find on a high-end instrument. A 76-note touch-sensitive keyboard allows you to perform with greater expression and gives flexibility to play wide and complex musical passages. A massive choice of 574 different instrument voices includes some suite voices, which reproduce the characteristics of each instrument in more detail. And 165 backing accompaniment styles, featuring musical genres from all over the world. The Yamaha Education Suite makes it easy to learn the built-in songs, while the Keys to Success feature provides short and easy step-by-step lessons. And the sum of small efforts result in playing entire songs, while other substantial lesson functions steadily support the learner, such as the touch tutor function, which helps when learning expressive playing. A songbook is available for download. Not only the scores of the onboard songs, it also includes tips for the lessons with many images and more. Duo mode splits the keyboard into two identical halves, so the student can learn by watching and copying their teacher's hands. And a 2-track recorder captures your song and melody ideas, as well as complete performances. Twelve new types of reverb effects adds different ambience to the sound, as if you were playing in a large hall or on stage. There is also chorus and other effects, with a master EQ to adjust your overall sound. The arpeggiator instantly creates complex note sequences for a professional sound. With registration memory, you can store your favourite settings for instant recall. Aux In allows you to connect your music player and play along with your favourite songs. Use the melody suppressor to virtually remove vocals from tracks. A USB to host interface can transfer both MIDI and audio. You can connect PCs or iOS devices for digital recording or playback through the built-in speakers. For iOS devices, there are free apps available in the App Store, including Cloud Audio Recorder for digital recording, My Music Recorder, a MIDI audio and video recorder for tracking and sharing your learning progress, and Sound Controller, allowing you to manipulate sounds in real time. The PSR-EW300, a 76-note keyboard with powerful features to widen up your musical possibilities. From Yamaha.